In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a lead tracker in Glide. We'll set up a simple, dependable place to capture and review leads so your outreach stays organized and actionable. First, go to Glide in your web browser. Glide lets you build apps powered by spreadsheets or databases, and everything we're about to do happens right inside its editor. When the site loads, sign into your account. Make sure you're using the workspace where your project lives so the changes land in the right place. Next, open the project you want to edit. From your dashboard, click into the app where you'd like the lead tracker to live. Give the editor a second to load, and confirm you can see the design area and the right-hand sidebar with your components and options. On the right sidebar, click the Add button in Components and choose Table. This creates a structured view that's great for tracking records in rows and columns. Place it on the screen section where you want to manage leads. When prompted, name it Leads. Clear, singular names keep your data easy to find later, especially as your app grows. Now, add the columns you need for a lean, useful pipeline. Create lead name for the person you're pursuing. Add company so you can quickly group and scan accounts. Include email so you have a direct contact method. Keeping emails consistent helps with filtering and future automations. Finally, add status to reflect where each lead stands. Common labels include new, contacted, qualified, and closed, but use terms your team already understands. Keep column names short and consistent, and avoid spaces at the end of names to prevent confusion down the road. As you add columns, think about how you'll review this later. For example, with status in place, you'll be able to sort or filter by stage and instantly see what needs attention. With email captured, you can scan for missing contacts before outreach. Small choices here pay off in clarity. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This saves your changes and makes them available to anyone who uses the app, so your lead tracker is ready to go. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.